Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do some salmon today in a pan. Really simple method. This is absolutely delicious. I've got some salmon fillet here. I'm using lime and ginger, a little bit of chili. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one. It's very simple, medium heat. I've got some oil in there. You can use any oil that you want. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now I've got some ginger here. Let me just grab that for you. Got some ginger here. You can see I've cut it into slices like this. I mean, you can chop it really thin if you want. Let's just get that in, and then we're gonna just 2 minutes on a medium heat, let it do its thing. It will flavor the oil really nicely. Yeah, so that just little time that we spent really flavors that oil up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our fish. I've got 2 salmon fillets with the skin on. We're going to go skin side down. Stay on this medium heat just for about 2 to 3 minutes again. So that 2 to 3 minutes has just given the skin enough time to start cooking away. Look, I've got a couple of these big chilies. Now they look more dangerous than they are. They're not actually that hot, but what they're going to do is just give it a nice little flavor in there. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And then here I've got half a cup of lime juice, and I've grated the skin. This might be quite noisy. Well, that's not too bad, is it? We're going to pop a lid on that and we're going to turn it down, not to a simmer, but above a simmer, and we're going to let it go. That size salmon's going to go for about 6 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get that lid off, and you can see that it's steamed out absolutely beautifully. And we've got a nice little kind of sauce there. Now the chili would have done its job. I don't want loads and loads of chili flavor in it. I just want a little hint, and that's done it for sure. Let's serve that up. So that is simple and absolutely yummy. That really is good. Delicious chili, ginger, lime salmon. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.